Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, we are going to walk you through how to create an employer account on Indeed, one of the most popular job boards for hiring talent. So whether you are a small business owner or part of a large company, this guide will help you get started quickly and easily. And of course, Indeed is a powerful platform that connects employers with potential candidates. Creating an employer account will give you tools to post jobs, view resumes, and start hiring top talent. So first, let's go over the steps to create your account. So for that, you have to head to a browser. For this tutorial, we are going to use Chrome browser. So head to a browser and visit ng.indeed.com. Right, so once you are on the browser, if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see employers/post job. Click on that. Once you click on that, the next thing you have to do is to scroll all the way down, and then you are going to see this get started button. Click on that. So next you have to either continue with Google or continue with Apple ID, depending on the one you want to use to create your account. So for this tutorial, I'll select continue with Google, and I will select my Google account. Alright, so next you have to fill these required information, starting from your company's name. So you have to go ahead and enter your company's name right there. Next is your first and last name, so make sure you enter it. And then you have to tell Indeed how you heard about them. So click on this and select how you heard about them. For me, I'll select social media, and then I have to enter my phone number right here and click on continue. Alright, so after that, you still need to proceed with some other basic information, right? Starting with your company's industry. So I'll click on that and select information technology, and for the company sub industry, I'll click on that and select software development. And here I have to enter my company's description right here, so I can just say alright, and here you have to enter the job title. So the job title is app developer, and here we have to choose the number of people we want to hire. For this, I'll select 2, and here it says where would you like to advertise this job. So they are referring to the location. Okay, so for the location, I'll select Enugu, Nigeria. Yes, and I'll click on continue. Alright, so here we have to choose the job type. Alright, so are you hiring a full-time employee or a part-time employee? Alright, so you have to select. You can select even both full-time, part-time, and any other one. Alright, so for me, I'll select full-time, and then I'll click on continue. And then we have to add pay and benefits. So I have to click on this drop down, this one, and select starting amount. So in your case, you can select range, a salary range, or the maximum amount you are willing to pay, or the exact amount. So I'll select starting amount, and I will enter 50k. Alright, per month. It could be per hour, per day, per week, per month, per year, right? So I'll just leave it as per month, and I'll change this to 50,000 naira. Let me change it to 50,000 naira, just like this. And then the next thing I have to do is to click on continue. Alright, so here we have to enter job description for our job title. So I have this already prepared before now, so I'll just paste it right here. So this is the job description for my job title, which is app developer, and then I have to click on continue. All right, so on this page we have to enter our email address, and here it says send an individual email each time someone applies. Yes, we have to click on this to receive email each time someone applies. Here it says let potential candidates contact you about this job by email to the address provided. Yes, you have to select this, and then you have to scroll down. Here it says ask potential candidates for a resume. So you have to click on this drop down and choose whether you want this or not. All right, so I will select this one, give the option to include a resume. Yes, and then I have to scroll down. Here it says is there an application deadline? If there is, select yes. If there is none, and you have to enter the deadline dates right here, but if there's none, select no and click on continue. All right, so on this page now, if there are more information you want to include, you can just click on this drop down and select any of these. Right, you can select education, you can select experience if you want the person to add their experience, the number of years of experience they have, right, language, etc. So you can just go ahead and select that. All right, for this one I can select language, and I will select English. And if I want these to be a compulsory requirement, I have to set it as deal breaker. So if any candidate does not know how to speak in English, it won't work for the person. Like, I'm not going to be notified whenever the person applies to get this job. Okay, you understand? All right, so and you can still go on to add experience, location, and any custom question you want to add. You can click on this plus sign to add a custom question. All right, and once you're done with that, click on continue. Now you can now go ahead to preview every information that was added. Okay, so go ahead and check every information that was added, and then you can now go ahead to confirm this. Once this is confirmed, your job will be posted on Indeed website, so people can see this job and apply to get this job. Okay, so whenever someone applies and the person happens to meet your job requirements, you'll be notified through your email that was provided. So that's it, guys, on how you can actually create an employer account on Indeed and also post a job. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.